Ever missed a crucial transaction because your banking app decided to take a nap? Or perhaps you felt that little jolt of anxiety wondering if that payment you were expecting has finally landed in your account? In today's fast-paced world, staying on top of your finances shouldn't feel like a guessing game. You deserve to know the moment money moves in or out of your accounts, not hours or even days later. Think about it. Imagine you're running a small business, and a large payment from a client is critical for your cash flow. Waiting for your end-of-day statement or constantly refreshing your banking app is not only inefficient but can also lead to missed opportunities or even financial hiccups. Or maybe you're just trying to keep a close eye on your personal budget, ensuring you don't overspend. Wouldn't it be incredibly helpful to receive an instant alert the second any transaction occurs? This is where the power of real-time banking notifications comes into play. Gone are the days of passive waiting and reactive monitoring. We're stepping into an era of proactive awareness, where your financial activity keeps you informed in the moment. Now, you might be thinking, my bank already sends me notifications. And while that's true for many institutions, the level of control and customization can often be limited. What if you want notifications for specific types of transactions, above a certain amount, or across multiple bank accounts in one centralized place? This is where a tool like Relay can truly revolutionize how you interact with your financial data. Relay is a platform designed to bridge the gap between your various financial accounts and the instant information you need. It acts as a central hub, allowing you to connect your bank accounts and set up highly customizable, real-time notifications tailored to your exact preferences. It's about taking control of your financial awareness and empowering you with immediate insights into your money movements. So, how exactly do you harness this power and set up real-time banking notifications with Relay? Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First things first, you'll need to create a Relay account. Head over to the Relay website. I'll have a link in the description below for your convenience. The sign-up process is typically straightforward, involving providing your basic information and verifying your email address. Think of it as setting up any other secure online service. Once your account is created and you've logged in, the next crucial step is connecting your bank accounts to Relay. This is where Relay securely integrates with your financial institutions. You'll usually find a section labeled something like Connect Accounts, Linked Accounts, or a similar option within the Relay dashboard. Clicking on this will likely present you with a list of banks and financial institutions. Relay employs secure protocols to establish a read-only connection with your accounts, meaning it can access your transaction data to trigger notifications but cannot initiate any transactions or make changes to your accounts. This is a critical aspect of ensuring your financial security. Select your bank from the list and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be redirected to your bank's secure login page where you'll need to enter your online banking credentials. This process is facilitated through secure APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow Relay to communicate with your bank in a safe and encrypted manner. You might be asked to grant Relay permission to access your account information. Ensure you carefully review the permissions requested to understand what data Relay will be accessing. Reputable platforms like Relay prioritize user privacy and data security, so they will only request the necessary permissions to provide their services. Once you've successfully authenticated with your bank, your account should now be linked to your Relay dashboard. You might need to repeat this process for each bank account you want to monitor. Having all your accounts connected in one place is one of the key benefits of using a platform like Relay. Now comes the exciting part, setting up your personalized real-time notifications. Navigate to the Notifications or Alerts section within your Relay account. This is where you'll define the specific conditions that will trigger a notification. Relay typically offers a range of customization options. You might be able to set up notifications based on transaction type. Choose to be notified for all transactions, or specify specific types like deposits, withdrawals, payments, transfers, or even fees. This level of granularity ensures you only receive alerts for the activity that truly matters to you. Transaction amount. Set minimum or maximum thresholds for notifications. For example, you might want to be alerted for any transaction exceeding $100 or any deposit greater than $500. This helps you focus on significant financial movements. Specific accounts. If you have multiple linked accounts, you can choose which accounts you want to receive notifications for. This is particularly useful if you manage both personal and business finances through Relay. Keywords or descriptions. Some platforms might even allow you to set up notifications based on keywords in the transaction description. For instance, if you're expecting a payment from Acme Corp, you can create an alert specifically for transactions containing that phrase. To create a new notification, you will usually click on an Add Notification or Create Alert button. You will then be presented with the various criteria you can configure. Select the conditions that meet your needs and specify the delivery method for your notifications. Relay typically offers several ways to receive these real-time alerts, including push notifications. These are the familiar alerts that pop up on your smartphone or tablet. They offer instant visibility and are often the most convenient option for on-the-go awareness. Ensure you have the Relay app installed on your device and have enabled push notifications for the app in your device's settings. Email notifications. You can also choose to receive notifications via email. This can be a good option for a secondary form of notification or for keeping a record of your financial activity in your inbox. SMS notifications. In some cases, Relay might offer SMS, text message, notifications. This can be useful if you don't always have a reliable internet connection but still want to receive immediate alerts. Webhook integrations. For more advanced users or businesses, Relay might offer webhook integrations. This allows you to send notification data to other applications or services in real time, enabling you to automate workflows or integrate financial alerts into your existing systems. Once you've configured your notification rules and selected your preferred delivery methods, make sure to save your settings. It's often a good idea to test your notifications to ensure they are working correctly. You might be able to trigger a small transaction in one of your linked accounts to see if you receive the expected alert. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.